Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that affects every community, every family, and especially every church. Disunity. We'll be looking at the church in Philippi, a place full of spiritual life, but also wrestling with internal tension. Our key text is Philippians chapter 2, verse 3. Do nothing out of selfish ambition or vain conceit. The Apostle Paul wrote to the Philippians with a heavy heart. He saw that even in this vibrant church, the seeds of division were being sown. What were these seeds? Paul calls them out by name. Selfish ambition and vainglory. Think about it. Selfish ambition is that drive to get ahead, to be number one, even if it means stepping on others. Vainglory is an empty pride, a need for applause and recognition that isn't rooted in anything real. Paul had already seen this in action, noting that some were preaching the gospel not from a pure heart, but from envy and strife. This isn't just a Philippian problem. It's a human problem. The Bible consistently warns against these very things. In Galatians 5, strife and dissensions are listed as works of the flesh. James chapter 3 tells us that where you find envy and self-seeking, you'll also find confusion and every evil practice. It's a toxic combination that fractures community. So, what's the antidote? Paul doesn't suggest a new committee or a 5-step organizational plan. He points to a heart transformation. The solution is the self-giving love that Jesus commanded and modeled. It's the kind of love that fueled the early church, where believers devoted themselves to fellowship. This battle between pride and humility is central to our spiritual lives. Ellen G. White writes powerfully about this, stating, "Nothing so weakens the church as disunion and strife." She identifies selfishness and pride as the foundation of all evil. The secret to real unity isn't forced conformity, but the genuine equality we all share as believers in Christ. Just look at Jesus. The Gospels paint a vivid picture of his compassion. He had mercy on the crowds. He reached out and healed the sick. And he told stories like the Good Samaritan and the prodigal son, which are overflowing with selfless mercy. His life is the ultimate contrast to the rivalry and self-seeking that cause so much pain. When we focus on Christ's humility, we build a defense against the divisive tactics of the enemy. This call to humility isn't just good advice, it's a prophetic instruction for us today. The Shepherd Esrod literature highlights that disunity is a sign that a purification is needed among God's people. Before the final events of Earth's history, the church must be cleansed of ambition and fleshly motives. God's work must be led by His Spirit, not by human rivalry. True, lasting unity doesn't come from us trying harder. It emerges after a separation, when self-centered religion is sifted from genuine, spirit-led obedience. So, as we face the pressures of the last days, Paul's counsel becomes more urgent than ever. Disunity starts in the heart, long before it shows up in our words or actions. The real test of our conversion is humility. Are we willing to adopt the mind of Christ? Are we willing to empty ourselves of self so that we can be filled with His Spirit? Let's reflect on this. What causes disunity in our own circles today? It's often the same old culprits: pride, jealousy, and selfish ambition. Maybe you've been part of a group torn apart by strife. It's draining and discouraging. If you're caught in a situation like that, the counsel is to anchor yourself in Christ's example. Focus on humility, serve others, and pray for a heart that reflects His. True unity can't be manufactured, it must be purified. Only then can we stand together and reflect heaven's character to a watching world. Thank you for joining me today. If this message resonated with you, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might need to hear it. Let's pursue the unity that comes only from Christ. See you next time.